Welcome to another amazing project.
Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to show you one amazing and beautiful project. I am with my friend Mr. Hakan.
Selamünaleyküm everybody.
And we have one more new brother.
Hey, what's up?
Ammar. He's also from Pakistan, and together today, three of us, we will show you complete details about this complete project.
I'm from Pakistan بس عايش في السعودية والفيديو هذا حيكون بالعربي إن شاء الله.
You are gonna listen, you are gonna watch our videos in Arabic version by brother Ammar. Where are you, brother, today?
We are in one of an amazing and I would say modern housing project in the city of Kocaeli. The name of this region is
Kartepe. So, what we have as a specification for this beautiful, amazing project, we have 53,000 square meters project area. On this 53,000 square meters project area, there are 27 blocks and 563 luxury apartments. As additional, this is very important, we have 101 commercial stores. The project has its own shopping mall. This is the first concept in Kocaeli. There is nothing similar available with this project. If you are looking for modern nature area, at the same moment, if you are looking for something luxury and modern, this project can be very suitable choice for you.
right now we are in the social facility area of this project, so we will love to start the project from the social facilities.
Yes, after that I'm gonna show you as a sample property. Actually, that sample property was sold 4+1, which is containing 232 square meters. Between the remaining properties on the market from this compound, resale options are available. We can give support in this case too. And from the company, generally there are 2 rooms plus 1 living rooms and 3 rooms plus 1 living rooms. Choices are available. It is really modern architecture. Design is welcoming us, and I want to show the indoor social facility section. All this section separated for the indoor social facilities, and we have indoor swimming pool, sauna, fitness, hammams are available inside the indoor social facility section. In shortly, we have 5-star hotel concept in residential commercial areas. When we reach this section, amphitheater section of the compound is welcoming us.
On the back side there is a swimming pool, and this is that region where the people are doing like events, concerts. We also witnessed one event. There was like a big concert one night and we were invited, and it was really fun. Very soon, inshallah, one day OZR will also perform in this place. We will have live music, live concert. So come join us.
Can you imagine it? You can organize your own special days, like birthdays, like celebration.
So now I think we should go towards the house, and you guys know this house belongs to one of our best client. I would say.
Selamünaleyküm Abdurrezzak abi.
Yeah, Assalamualaikum. We would love to show you his house because his house is really amazing. So let's go and let's discover this property together.
We are directly in front of the block. Let's discover the sample property together.
And there is like a special security code. So each building has a specific code.
One more important thing about this project, whole underground section of the project separated as indoor parking lot section. Directly below us there is a huge indoor parking lot section is available, and you can access the elevator from the indoor parking lot section.
We are going to the second floor, right?
Yes, we are gonna have a look to number 15.
Sure.
I saw this property on the market. There are 2 rooms plus 1 living rooms and 3 rooms plus 1 living rooms are available. I'm gonna show this property as a sample, which is including 232 square meters gross area inside it with 4 rooms plus 1 living room. So, Bismillah.
So we are right now inside the property. Again, the property is 4 plus 1 and is beautiful.
But first of all, I have to say that this is not a basic sample because this property had some modifications and beautiful modifications. In that way you can get an idea how you modify your property. For instance, in normal here is just covered by the wallpaper, but the new landlord put the very artistic and cool glasses inside the mirror, inside that entry area. That kind of practice makes the interior design of the property more spacious. It shows bigger. It shows bigger.
And luxury.
And luxury. You can consider the concept of the project like semi-furnished, because there are some cabinets is providing by the construction company when you buy the properties. These cabinets are coming with the property, and heating system of the property is working with
natural gas system and also central heating system.
Bravo, central heating system. Okay, let's keep continuing. When we turn right, directly spacious kitchen section is welcoming us.
Acrylic, and this is chimstone, the #1 quality of material. And Hakan Abi was mentioning this property is semi-furnished, so that means this oven, this exhaust and like stove top, the company is providing these material, and also the dishwasher.
One more good thing, this is the standard design for this compound. You can access the balcony from each rooms.
Yeah.
It is not just specific for this property. Whole properties has this specification. You can access the balcony each room. What does it mean? Time to show.
So each room, even the kitchen, is connected with the same balcony. So right now we are on the back side of the property, and the back side of the property is looking for Kartape mountains. And this region is also very amazing because you are near to the restaurants, and also Jumbo is near to us. So if you guys know, Jumbo Konefe is the best one in Turkey. So whenever you come to Turkey, don't forget to try. Now let's go inside and let's go towards the living room first. This is one of the best part of this house, the living room. And again, the house owner has made some modifications in this room also. For example, this ceramics is not operated by the company. The house owner has made these modifications, and it looks amazing, wonderful. And one more thing, this house was empty for a few months. That's why a few of the things are not very well organized. Still, the house looks amazing.
Design of the property and modifications of the properties, pretty good. I want to get attention the basic items. The lighting, especially with lighting system, there is classical lighting system and LED lighting systems are available, and LED lighting systems are hidden behind the ceiling and the wall. I want to get attention in this case. You can realize that I can tell this property, it's definitely useful and spacious. Am I right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, so let's keep continuing our tour. I want to get attention the each section of the property, and all the walls was covered by the first quality wallpapers, and we have 4 rooms, 3 WCs and 2 bathrooms inside. The property is regular flat. When we look at this section, there is room for kids section is welcoming us, and I want to get attention the highness of the ceiling. This is such a trick, but it is very good trick. Highness of the, when you have the higher ceiling highness, the interior size of the properties become much more spacious, and I want to get attention quality of the doors. These are heavy doors, these are MDF lucky doors, and right over here there is a common WC sections available. These are the basic design of the company. The property is delivering with that furniture, in the mirror, LED, and the sink. And when I look the quality of the ceramics, there are first quality ceramics were used inside the bathroom section too. Keep continue, brother.
It's so elegant. First of all, the company did the work very fine, and also the house owner did amazing job. So this is another kids room, and it's kind of a same room, same size, and also the highness, as Hakan Abi has mentioned, the highness of each room is higher than the regular properties, which makes the house look more bigger. And as you can see, each room is accessible to the balcony. Each room is connected with the same big balcony. Now let's go towards the bathroom. Okay, so this is a big bathroom, and it's also have a shower section, and also you can see you can put your washing machine in this area. And wow, they are using the first quality material. As you can see, it's shining, it's elegant, and it's beautiful. One more room. It's like a kid's room. So this property is quite big enough. And again, the room is opening towards, the backside is opening towards the same big balcony. And now let us show you the best part of the house.
So when we reach this section, master room section of the property is welcoming us. Right over there is a bathroom, attached bathroom for the master room is available over here. I want to show the shower cabinet. All the materials are the up-to-date design. These are the, I want to show like that. You can have a look better in that way. All the materials are up to date. And when we reach this section, sleeping and bedroom section of the master room is welcoming us. All these places covered by the glasses. Now there's a curtain. We don't want to touch that much.
This property was closed for a few months because the house owner is back to his hometown. Otherwise, we came here before when he was living here, and this place looks amazing.
And I want to show the dressing section.
But before that, I want to ask this behind the bed. Yeah,
Yes,
this.
I think it's opening like that. Normally, imagine like that. Here is empty space. Just there is a wall, and walls was covered by the wallpaper. That's it.
Yeah, the house owner spent a lot of time in modifying his property, and he did a very good job.
And in this case also, if you are interested to do something on your property, they are able to give support in this case too.
Yeah.
So I want to show the dressing section of the property. This is the dressing section of the property. You can put the dressing cabinet, or you can make some special design for that area. Now we reach the one of the best thing. Look at that beautiful, amazing view. You can directly access the balcony. This angle is directly looking for the inside of the compound, and look at that beautiful view. As itself, compound seems amazing. Look
Yeah.
at that beautiful architecture, modern architecture design. As the brother Yasir said, the building seems like spaceship.
And I think this property is something special, like one of the special property, because this house is looking all the inner part of the project, and also we have a complete back end mountain views, right?
Definitely, and from the construction company there is no that kind of properties remaining, but as a resale options, don't consider resale options as expensive choices. No, sometimes resale options can be cheaper than the construction companies' prices, so that as a real estate agent, we are ready to serve the most suitable properties in this compound from the construction company and from the resale options too.
Yeah. Maybe you are lucky and you can find a better property than this one. So why not try your
Why
chance?
not? Yeah, it's nasib. So I want to mention one more thing. If you are interested to feed your own flowers, over here there's a section on the balcony. There is an automatic irrigation system is available. You can see the pipe. You can feed your own plantation over here, but we cancel the plants over here because the landlord is living in generally at abroad, so that we cancel the plants. But if you are gonna stay for whole year in this property, in that kind of properties, you can feed your own flowers.
Wow, this is beautiful neighborhood. It's like a city, another city, in another city. Look, there is one birthday celebrations going on over there, and they are having super fun. I just feel so happy for them. Happy birthday, boy. I hope guys you enjoyed this tour. I personally love this housing concept. It's like a spaceship. So I need a favor from you. Please like this video and please share with your friends and family. This way I will grow fast. I will earn more money and inshallah I can buy an apartment here. So please help me, help us, okay? And if you want to know about the price details, it's in the description of the video. Please go and check the price list. And if you want to know more details about this project, you can contact my friend Mr. Hakan. You can contact him. His phone number is in the description.
0090-532-207-8634.
Yeah. Please like the videos, guys. And if you have not subscribed our channels, please subscribe. See you soon again. Take care. Shor out.